Okay, in this video we're going to take off the exhaust. I got the car all jacked up on 2 cinder blocks, front and back, and one board, one 2x4 underneath there. Okay, got it jacked up like that so we can get underneath it. Kind of like crawling into the house. Got 2 blocks high. Got plenty of room under there. So what we're going to do on this one is we're going to pull the exhaust. I got to get up under there and get the O2 sensors off of there. So I'll be right back when I get under the car. There's one of our O2 sensors. Goes back up over here. Another one back there, that's AFCAT. I think I'm just going to cut them wires. I got one that's way up in there. That's O2 sensor right there. I think I'm just going to cut it. These O2 sensors got over 180,000 miles on it, so I'm just going to cut them. I'm not using any of this stuff. I'm just going to cut all this out of here. Okay, next we're going to pull off this support right here for the exhaust pipes. It's only got 2 bolts on it, one on each side over there. It's supposed to have 4, but we'll get that pulled off of there. I was going to set you up on a tripod, but my little bitty tripod still won't fit under there. Just don't have enough room. So I need a micro tripod to go up under the car, but let me get them bolts off and then we'll see if we can't pull this thing out. We still got 2 hangers back there in the back. Then back there. They'll go to the rubber mounts. So get them off. We gotta shove it forward. We gotta shove it forward, and then we gotta drop it down. I'll be right back. Okay, these rubber mounts right here. We're gonna disconnect it from the bottom side. We're gonna leave the rubber part up there for the next exhaust. Don't want to lose them. So they got all these exhausts, the muffler on here. I don't know how heavy them things are. Got to get all that out of here. I'm gonna need 2 hands, so I'll be right back. Okay, the back hangers are off. It's really starting to sit low. I don't think there's nothing holding it now. It's kind of in a bind. I'll just have to wiggle around on it. I bet it'll fall down. So here we go. You can see there it's dropped down about 1 foot. So I got to finish. I don't know what it's hung up on, but I'll have to pull around on it until I get it to drop down. We're getting there though. Okay, we got all this out. That was fun. In order for me to get this out real easy, I had to disconnect these connectors right here. And of course I had one that couldn't hardly get off. These connectors right after the cats. You'll see 2 bolts on it. Disconnect that and you'll be able to drop everything out real easy. See, it just connect right on the end right there. So now you got your cats and your exhaust. You got hangers right here. That's one close to the differential. And you got two more right back here. Right here by your exhaust tips. Right on top. Another shot of it. Right here by your exhaust tips. So these aren't going back on. The sucker's heavier. That's a whole lot heavier than what it looks like, I tell you what. That's heavy. Now I'm going to be able to have a whole lot more room with all that out of the way. Going out here to the red car. I got on Facebook wanting one of these bottom rockers down here. Said he couldn't find it anywhere. Looking everywhere for one. I said I got one. Showing to watch one of my videos. Oh, that's too beat up. I said okay, never mind. I said okay. Sorry, I tried. Well, that can be fixed. It's all there. It can be fixed. A little bit of plastic weld on that. A little bit of body work on there. As good as new. It's all there. Anyway. So I didn't try to talk him into it. I was wanting to get them chains out of there. This exhaust we're putting on the black car right there. It got no. Yeah, it's supposed to be real nice this week. I'm going to get out here and get this thing, put it on another block. Get another block higher. Might even have to have 2 blocks higher. That don't look very. I gotta be able to crawl under. That thing's probably done sunk down a little ways. See if this thing will start. Can't wait to fire that thing up in that black car. That's gonna be awesome. Well, on this video is one more thing I want to do. I want to take a camera and run it down one of them cats with 181,000 miles on it. See how plugged up they are. Yeah, I was wondering if I even had any battery power left, because this thing didn't even pop the trunk. All this nice carpet in that black car. It's quite nice. Sounds nice. Gotta do this one video here pretty quick. I'm gonna be redoing the trunk. on the black car. And I gotta completely redo. See this material here? I don't want to pull this stuff off yet because it might rain. I don't want to get this trunk wet. Let's see how it. We got to take this wire here, undo it here, probably unplug something in here. Unplug it so I can get this thing off. We're going to take on a black car, we're going to sand in sand the trunk area and spray paint it black. Might even do that sometime this week. See how quiet that thing is? Yeah, we're going to take that air conditioner compressor, we're going to take it off and leave it with this car with the system charged. If it was already discharged, then I would probably take the air conditioner compressor with it and change it later, but gonna have to drop that. Just leave it with the car. Is this air conditioner going to be working with no motor in it? Yeah, I remember this interior. It's so nice. I mean, look at that. Just like new. Well, there's a couple scratches there. Yeah, light scratches right there. Not bad at all. Alright, let's go look at that let's go look at that Cadillac converter. Run a camera down through there and check that out. Okay, we're running a camera down to the cats down here. That's what it looks like. Actually, it looks pretty good. 181,000 miles on it. That don't look bad at all. I figured it'd be a whole lot more covered up than that. That's all the way down to This cat right here. Had a hard time getting past this right here. And I didn't want to bore you, so it took me a few minutes to get to it. O2 sensor there. Camera down there. Couldn't get my other camera scope to work. Showed low battery and I couldn't turn the light on. You gotta have a light on it. You ain't no way you're gonna be able to see down through there. That's what that looks like. I do have my engine hoist ordered through Amazon. Been out here cleaning up the garage. Got this area beside the golf cart. Got it all cleaned out for a motor. And right here in front of the golf cart, got it cleaned out for another motor. So I got to make room for two motors right here beside the car, because this motor is going to be probably right here for now until I get it completely tore down. Got to pull the transmission off of it, and then once I get it separated, I can put the motor over against the wall over there, and then probably sell the transmission. And then once I get the other one pulled, then it'll go right here in front here until we get the oil pan swapped on it. So that's where we're at on this deal. Okay, I guess that's going to do this video for this week. Alright, thanks for watching.